Florida State University. Visibility 7 miles.
Wait, what?
The temperature.
Here we go!
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Wakulla County,
Wakulla.
Florida, Gadsden County, in
That's
Big
it
Bend,
again.
Florida, northeastern Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, west central Jefferson County in Big Bend, Florida, Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, Decatur County in southwestern
They only
Georgia,
issued a new one because the
southwestern
other one
Grady
expired.
County
Oh,
in southwestern
they went off at the
Georgia,
same time.
Central Seminole County in southwestern Georgia.
Woo!
Until 1:30 p.m. Eastern
This is the
Daylight
first time
Time.
this has went off on channel 1.
At 12:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles southeast of Mariana to 7 miles west of Greensboro to 17 miles southwest of Midway, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations and paths include Tallahassee, Havana, Woodville, Florida State University, Tallahassee College, Doak Campbell Stadium, Chattahoochee, Greensboro, Florida A&M, West Bainbridge, Wakulla, Gretna, Attapulgis, Climax, Griffin, and Lake Bradford. For your protection, go to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
And it decoded correctly.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Gadsden, Jefferson, Leon, Liberty, Wakulla, and the following counties in Georgia, Decatur, Grady, and Seminole.
Here we go.
These are the new and Eastern Daylight Time conditions.
It already expired.
Tallahassee Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 89 degrees. The wind was west at 20 miles an hour. In Florida State University, visibility 7 miles. At Apalachicola, it was partly.
Okay, that didn't do your own
The
detection.
temperature was 87 degrees.
There it is. There's that as
Wind
feel.
west at 17.
Alrighty. That scared me.